A quick diving into British pound sterling against Japanese yen. Japanese yen, the Bank of Japan always change monetary policy unexpectedly. And every time they change monetary policy unexpected, it changes trade dynamics. Every time they do so, it changes trade dynamics. But we are not bothered. All we look at for is the structure of the market. We try to apply our 5 line rule, look for demand and supply. We look for a line that will represent demand and supply. One single line. Every line here must have a dual function. The strategy is based on one line having a dual function. It must function as demand and as supply. It will function as demand floor and supply roof. It must have that function. So it will have as a demand floor and as a supply roof. So because price is trading above the line, I will call it my demand floor and wait for supply roof. If we trade below the line, we are on supply roof. And oftentimes people talk about manipulation. I said there is no manipulation in the market. Everything is well structured. What we have is lack of knowledge drain, lack of information, lack of insight, inability to interpret structure of market is what we have. Before market will buy, market makers already know where it will buy and they know where it will sell. Market is pre-programmed, irrespective of fundamental analysis. They know. Before any economic data, some people have insight into economic information. So they use it to guide their bias. The hedge funds, the big stockbrokers, big equity firms, they know the direction of market in order to grow their liquidity. So for GJ, nice structure, but at the moment, price is playing in the middle. This is very dangerous to play in the middle. The market makers have eaten this market from the bottom and from the roof. They have eaten this market from both sides. They have gone on to touch the roof, take the liquidity, come to the bottom, take the liquidity, which I will represent with 2 colors. We have a descending trend line, DTL, and we have ascending trend line, ATL. So this is what we have. We have 2 ascending trend line, and I'm going to change the color of this one to purple. So we have our purple structure, very nice structure, very nice structure, looking nice. So we see here that on the floor we have price playing as demand. So this is the demand floor. This price action was pulled out from 2023 April. We put this price action out from 2023. So it makes a decent sense to use some of the key informations where we begin to look at price, or we look at a trend line to have supply and demand properties. So you can see based on what we're doing here on the structure, this is a demand floor, this is a demand floor, this is a demand floor. We have series of demand floor and price lastly on daily tapped into the demand floor and the price have seen a significant push. This is also a demand floor, a bridge out from a supply roof. We have a supply roof, break out of a supply roof, price returns on demand, and this is the final retest, and price is gone up. Now price is playing in the middle. We are trying to find a price action, trying to find a price action. Let's see if we can get something or we forget about it. So we found from 2023 May, we found a support structure, and we changed the color to black, and we're exceeding our limit of allowable number of lines in a chart in order to save the mind of troubles associated to too many lines in a chart. So let's look at it. Support structure, break of a support structure, price came retest in the zone. You see a pullout, the body and the wick. This represents a sell zone. So most times when we draw a trend line, we try to make a zone with expectation that price will return into the zone. So we make a box. A, a return into the box is a sell. We have here in 2023 May support structure, January 24 support structure, break of a support structure, price return on retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4. GJ might, from the structure, the price is halfway. This is the roof, this is the floor. The supply roof, demand floor, and price is halfway. So it makes a whole lot of sense to allow price to come down or wait, be patient, let it go up and break the previous high. If we have that, that will be an opportunity to look for a sell opportunity if price makes its way like this. So we have a price tap into this roof. If it can break the, let it break, let it break the supply roof, turn it into demand, and let us go up. But from what I'm seeing, GJ might be going down due to the heavy bearish impulse that dropped price. But price also went down to peak liquidity, buy liquidity. So it is almost indecisive for me. This is what the structure is saying. The reason is because I want price to return to demand floor, to trade above the line. Remember, price trading above the line is on demand, below the line is on supply. So right now we are trading below the line, ascending trend line, ATL. So price is on supply. So on technical, we'll continue to see more bearish impulse. So we have no buy confirmation, only sell because price is trading below the line. Why is it trading below the line? Support structure, break of a support structure, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4. GJ should be going down. GJ should be going down. But if you want to go long, allow price, let GJ uptrend, break the supply roof, return to demand floor, then you go long. So this is how we analyze charts like hedge funds. Hedge funds analyze charts based on demand and supply, liquidity sweep. Price comes here is liquidity sweep. Price comes here, liquidity sweep. Because what? It's on supply roof. So there are a lot of sell order, heavy bearish order at this level. So once price comes here, it sweeps out all buy idea as fast as possible. When price comes here, it sweeps out all sell idea. So if price returns here, we'll have here again as another liquidity sweep zone where I expect price to sweep all buy idea off. So on technical, it is best to wait for GJ to break the structure, break the supply roof, turn it to a demand floor for uptick. But at the moment, we are trading below the line. So on technical, we are on supply roof. So GJ might be seeing a significant drop based on the structure. Based on the structure. So if GJ doesn't find a way to break price to stay on demand, that will technically make selling, that will technically make buying a very difficult task. But we will look at 4 hours time frame to see a potential buy sell opportunity based on impulse and correction. So it is now clear GJ looks bullish, GJ looks bullish, but at the moment price is trading below the line. So technically meaning that we are on supply roof. So we need to break price, return to the demand floor, and go long. You see here, demand floor ended here. Demand floor ended here. So we want to come back to that level. So another level we see to this is connecting this high. So if we are going long, this could also be another position of rest. But we don't need this. It's just for educational purpose. So resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure. This is also possible. So let's take it out. So this is what we have for GJ. So we'll look at GJ intraday to see possible opportunity